Did you know that just a handful of almonds a day could reduce your risk of heart disease by up to 30%? Or that this tiny nut is packed with nutrients that can help manage your weight, improve your memory, and even support glowing skin? That's right. Almonds aren't just tasty, they're tiny powerhouses of health, and most people have no idea how much they can actually do for your body. Stick around, because what you're about to learn might just change the way you snack forever. Almonds, the powerhouse snack. Let's talk about almonds. You see them everywhere, in trail mix, energy bars, almond milk, even in desserts. But almonds aren't just a trendy topping. They've been around for thousands of years and were even considered a symbol of wellness in ancient cultures. Today, modern science has confirmed what traditional wisdom always suspected. Almonds are one of the most nutrient-dense foods on the planet. They're more than just a crunchy snack. They're a complete package of protein, healthy fats, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. And they deliver all of this in a bite-sized, easy-to-carry form. No cooking, no prep, just pure goodness. But what's even more exciting? These little nuts don't just support your health, they can actually help transform it. From improving heart function to helping you feel fuller longer, almonds are one of the smartest foods you can add to your daily routine. But if they're so great, why aren't more people making almonds a regular part of their diet? The answer lies in the snack aisle, and we're about to explore that next. The problem: why most snacks are sabotaging your health? Let's face it, we all snack. Whether it's a quick bite between meals, a late-night treat, or something to munch on while watching TV. Snacking has become a regular part of everyday life. But here's the issue. Most of the popular snacks people reach for are loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and empty calories. Think about it. Potato chips, cookies, candy bars, sugary granola bars, and even healthy snacks that are secretly packed with artificial ingredients. These foods may be convenient, but over time, they can contribute to weight gain, low energy, inflammation, and even more serious health problems like heart disease and type 2 diabetes. And the worst part? Many of us don't even realize how much damage we're doing just from those small, harmless snack choices throughout the day. You might think it's just a handful of chips or a little sugar won't hurt, but it adds up. And when your body is constantly being fed processed, nutrient-poor foods, it struggles to perform at its best. You feel more tired, you crave more sugar, and your overall health slowly takes a hit. So what's the solution? It's simple. Swap the junk for smart snacks. That's where almonds come in. These little nuts are not only satisfying, they're actually good for you. And the benefits, they go way beyond just curbing your appetite. In the next section, we're diving deep into the real science behind almonds and how they can help you live a healthier, more energized life. Exploration. What makes almonds a nutritional powerhouse? Now that you know the problem with most snacks, let's look at the solution that fits right in the palm of your hand. Almonds. They're not just tasty, they're loaded with nutrients your body loves. Here's what you get in just 1 ounce. About 23 almonds. Protein that powers you. Almonds pack around 6 grams of plant-based protein per serving. That's enough to help keep you full, support muscle repair, and even boost metabolism. It's a great option if you're trying to cut back on animal products without cutting back on protein. Healthy fats that work for you. Yes, almonds are high in fat, but it's the good kind. They're rich in monounsaturated fats, the same kind you find in olive oil, known to lower bad cholesterol, support heart health, and even help reduce belly fat. These fats also keep you satisfied longer, helping you avoid unhealthy cravings. Fiber that fills you. With about 3.5 grams of fiber per ounce, almonds help keep your digestive system moving smoothly. Fiber also helps stabilize blood sugar, making almonds a smart choice for people watching their glucose levels. Vitamins and minerals that protect you. Almonds are packed with vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin and cells from aging. Magnesium, essential for muscle function, blood pressure, and heart health. Calcium, for strong bones and teeth. Riboflavin, vitamin B2, supports energy production. And manganese, important for metabolism and bone health. Brain-boosting compounds. Studies show that regular almond consumption is linked to better cognitive function and improved memory. That's right, almonds aren't just food for your body, they're brain fuel too. Bonus, antioxidants galore. Almonds contain polyphenols, plant compounds that fight inflammation and reduce oxidative stress. In simpler terms, they help slow down aging at a cellular level. Pretty impressive for such a small nut, right? But here's where it gets even more exciting. Let's meet someone whose health transformed with the help of almonds. A real-life almond transformation. Let me tell you a story about someone just like you. Her name is Janet, a 62-year-old retired teacher from Ohio. For years, Janet struggled with low energy, high cholesterol, and constant sugar cravings. She wanted to be healthier, but every time she tried dieting, she ended up feeling deprived and frustrated. Then one day, while reading an article on heart health, she stumbled across something surprising. Eating a handful of almonds daily may help lower LDL cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. It sounded too simple to be true, but she decided to give it a try. Here's what Janet did. She didn't change everything overnight. She didn't follow a strict diet. All she did was swap her afternoon cookie for a handful of almonds. That small change turned into a big win. Within 2 months, her energy levels improved. Her cholesterol dropped by 18 points, and she felt fewer cravings for sugary snacks. She even noticed her skin looking brighter and said her memory felt sharper than it had in years. Her doctor was impressed, but more importantly, Janet felt like herself again. Now, of course, almonds aren't magic, but they're mighty. And when you consistently make better food choices, even small ones, your body responds. Janet's story is proof that you don't need to flip your whole lifestyle upside down to start seeing real, lasting changes. Sometimes, it all starts with one handful. Why almonds deserve a spot in your daily diet. So what have we learned? Almonds may be small, but their benefits are anything but. Let's do a quick recap of why they're one of the smartest foods you can eat every day. They're packed with plant protein. Just 1 ounce delivers 6 grams of clean, satisfying fuel for your muscles and metabolism. They contain healthy fats that support your heart. The good kind of fat, monounsaturated, helps lower bad cholesterol and keeps your heart beating strong. They're loaded with fiber, which means better digestion, more stable blood sugar, and fewer unhealthy cravings. They're rich in key vitamins and minerals, like vitamin E, magnesium, calcium, and B vitamins, all of which support your skin, bones, heart, and energy. They're brain boosters, with antioxidants and nutrients shown to improve memory and protect against age-related cognitive decline. And they help you snack smarter, making it easier to stay full and satisfied without reaching for junk food. You don't need a complicated diet. You don't need to give up all your favorite foods. But swapping just one snack a day for a handful of almonds, that's a simple change that could lead to real health improvements over time. So whether you're eating them raw, roasted, sliced on your salad, or blended into almond butter, almonds are a powerful ally in your journey to better health. Now it's your turn. What's your favorite way to enjoy almonds? Do you snack on them plain? Mix them into oatmeal? Make almond milk at home? Drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your almond ideas. And if you're looking to take your health journey even further, check out our next video on 10 easy foods that boost your energy naturally. You won't want to miss it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap the bell so you don't miss more tips on simple changes for a healthier life. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is in your hands, even if it's just holding a handful of almonds.